Good morning. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Kevin Jeans. This afternoon, high temperatures around 85 degrees, but a pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms developing later on in the day. And a stray shower possible late this morning, but we'll have a better chance of showers and thunderstorms in the late afternoon and especially this evening and tonight. So some of these thunderstorms could have some pretty heavy downpours and not completely ruling out a few isolated weak tornadoes as well. There could be some rotation in some of these thunderstorms. So a few severe storms are possible later on this evening, and then overnight showers. Will continue to be a chance of basically some thunderstorms early in the night and then some showers possible overnight. Now tomorrow afternoon for Thursday, we'll have again a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Not as much of a severe threat, but still some showers and storms nonetheless Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. And then Friday, a slight chance of showers and storms as well as the storm system continues to move farther out and will be dry for Saturday and Sunday. So tonight's going to be warm, 70 degrees into Thursday morning and a chance of showers overnight. So a 50% chance of rain still Thursday afternoon, down to a 30% chance of rain later Friday. And then dry weather for Saturday and Sunday. We're going to be cooler this weekend with highs back into the 70s.